What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and I am excited because I just did the video on the smaller version that's fully submergible, like it has a picture of it under the water, like, and still working. So this is the bigger version. Excited to like hear the difference. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it in the description below. But all right, so this one's 18 hours. The other one is 24 hours. Probably because this one is so big. It's got bass, obviously. It's got sound modes for indoor and outdoor. Dual phone connection. I mean, you can pair two of these together. Like, Anker is insane. It's even got a picture of it right here. So you could use the Soundcore app and you can link two of them together. And oh my gosh. Well, let's open this up. All right. We're going to have to lay this down. Oh, this is heavy. Like the whole box itself is like heavy. All right. Then we got a little box in here. Let's just see what this comes with. Oh, it's got an actual wall plug. Okay, so that's going to be the benefit of the smaller one that plays for even longer, 24 hours. This one you have to actually plug into like a power outlet. Whoa, this thing is massive. I'm just super excited right now. Oh my god. Dude, look at this bass. Look at the buttons. Okay, that sells it on its own right there. All those buttons, power, Bluetooth, whatever the heck that is, your bass button, your lights button, your forward, previous, plus minus, Soundcore button. Oh my god, this thing is kind of nutty. All right, let's check out the rear end, shall we? All right, so yeah, you just have your pole for this guy right here, and then you've got your USB, so you can keep the music playing if your phone's about to die, and then you got an audio out jack. That's insane. Considering I'm not sure how full the battery is, and I don't have an outlet that's reachable with this little cord, we're gonna use this Anker inverter power solar inverter thing here. This is the old one. I don't have the new one, but this is the old one and it still works fine. So we're gonna turn on the AC port. Hey, this one actually tells you right here that it's got two of the 4 bars and it's charging now. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, that's kind of intense. Little power up there. Immediately goes into Bluetooth pairing. I see lights on the speaker. I'll show you that here in just a second after we pair this thing. And the other one was called the Motion Boom. What's this one called? The Trance. So it's called the Soundcore Trance. Okay, that is way cooler than the other one. It's got freaking lights. And it like goes to the music. Let's turn it up. Okay, I live in an apartment and my neighbors are gonna hate me. They already do, but they're gonna hate me even more. That's loud. That's awesome. That's really cool. Where's the like subwoofer area? Oh, I guess it's right there in the middle. All right. All right, we're about to hit the bass drop here. Oh my god, that sounds so good. It's not struggling to do that at all. And this whole thing is vibrating. Okay, that's enough for now because that's going to get me in trouble if they haven't already started calling the office. That's nutty. That's insane. And it is charging while it's currently powered on. And say you're the life of the party, you're the DJ, everyone's relying on your music to keep them going, and your phone's about to die, and then you can't play no music. Well, now we're charging our phone off of this guy right here. That's so awesome. Now, I don't have the other ones to test out features to sync them together. If I do get a second one, that's something I could try out. But you've got buttons that I don't know what they do yet. It's probably looking for another one, or there's a manual that I should totally read, but you can download the Soundcore app on your phone and you can like update firmware and play with equalizers and lights settings and stuff. She doesn't have the Soundcore app, and you got to create an account. But yeah, you can download the Soundcore app on your mobile device and do a lot more things with the lights and stuff. And then this is a button to do lights stuff too. You can even turn them off all the way by holding it down. But yeah, download the Soundcore app and you can do a lot more stuff on your phone. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If comments are disabled, it's not my fault. It's something YouTube did and they haven't fixed yet. For now, please reach me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll have the links in the description below, including where you can purchase the speaker. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.